So what is a slide on guitar and how do we use it? They come in a variety of shapes, materials, and sizes. This is a chrome steel one. This one is a glass slide, and this one is actually made of wood. Hello. My favorite one, probably this glass slide at the moment. You can use any finger. I prefer to use my second finger, but you can use your second, your third, or your fourth. We start on one string. We want to play a note right above where the fret lies. If you put your finger slightly behind the fret, the note will sound flat. So you want to make sure that you're right over the fret. Then you should have something that sounds like this. Just press very lightly and make sure you're right above the fret. You're not actually pressing the string down, you're just holding it on the string very lightly. I hope that helps, and if you want more awesome beginner guitar related content, give us a like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.